Yeah guys, welcome back to one next video. Guys, tonight I'm gonna do some curry french fry. So I go on knife pack guys. It's my meat season up already. Be a badness. So I'm gonna put in some flour, sprinkle some flour upon it. As I say french fry, watch your badness guys. Curry french fry. So I season up my meat. I season up my meat around an hour ago now guys and make it go on marinate. You understand how I yeah. So I'm gonna put in my flour, sprinkle my flour upon it. And I'm gonna sew go on in the kitchen and kick off the pot. You understand now the guys I be a badness, just watch your badness in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so my flour my meat, the overs. Yeah. Guys, that curry french fry yeah go bad, me not lie if you tell you. Can make me season well marinate in the chicken. Another chicken guys. If you got away name. If you got away the meat name, I go look on the something there. Yeah guys, but I go french fry and I'm gonna see what I go on. But overs. Yeah guys, so soon come back. The badness. I go light up the stove and I'm gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so light up the stove. Don't know the badness. Guys, watch the badness in the kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so watch what go on in the pot. So I go on over here so guys, be a badness. Yeah guys, be a badness guys. Curry french fry guys. Guys, stay tuned to the finishing of my curry french fry. Be a badness guys. When you come back. Guys, watch your badness, watch your badness. Curry french fry guys. Guys, I be a badness. Be a badness guys. Yeah, at the last section I'll come out of the pot now. So stay tuned to the finishing look guys. Be a badness guys. Guys, so I'm going over here so. Yeah. You know, piece more like that guys. More to fry a little more. Yeah, over guys, I be a badness. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go on over here so. I'm gonna show you how me deal with it now. With the sauce. Remember me post a sauce other day guys. A hot sauce. Yeah, so watch your badness. Yeah guys, so this are the hot sauce I show no other day. You understand how I did, so I'm gonna make a so go on the chicken and all. Be a badness. Be a badness guys, be a badness. Be a badness in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so at the finishing look this guys. So I go on over here so guys, I'll be a badness in the kitchen. See sauce guys, yeah. Yo, guys, if you're afraid of pepper, can't eat this, yo. Remember me tell you. If you're not a pepper lover, you cannot eat this. I tell you. Overs, yeah, this mad. Guys, I'm out.